Hello and welcome to the MSPC Bros channel, and today we will be reviewing the 3 best 8GB budget RAM sticks. If you watched our previous video, you will see that this is part 2 of a 3-part series. Part 3 will be coming soon, so with that, what are we waiting for? Let's get into it. We will still be giving you 1 RAM stick per category, just so you know. The first is quality, the second is price, and the last one is looks. For the first one, we have the Corsair Vengeance LPX 8GB RAM stick. This one is running at 2400 MHz, which is pretty good, but if you want to put some more cash in, go for the 2666 or 3200 MHz if you can. Alright, now I'm going to head over here to tech specs. So this is pretty much where I get all my info. So let me read some of the stuff here real quick. So it runs in dual channel here. So that is basically how most RAM sticks run, which is pretty obvious. This makes the RAM stick run better than if it was just a single RAM stick, so keep that in mind. This specific RAM stick also has a cast latency of 14, which is on the better side since most RAM sticks have 15 or 16. Alright, since none of this other stuff really is super important if you're building a PC if you are a beginner, but I'm just going to leave this up here if you want to get interested in some of this while I'm reading the pros and cons. So, right off the bat, the RAM stick is $36.99, which is reasonable since the specs are pretty solid and it runs pretty fast since its cast latency is 14, which is really good. The cons are that it runs at 2400 MHz, which isn't that fast, so if you want, you should opt for a higher frequency RAM stick. Now it's time for the next RAM stick, which falls into the price category.
If you are really on a tight budget, this is the perfect RAM stick for you. We have the GSkill Ripjaws V RAM stick. It has 2 cast latencies, 17 and 39. Stay away from the 39 because it will respond way slower than 17. It is also unbuffered, so if you want to know what that is, watch part 1 by clicking the link in the description. This model runs on a 2400 MHz frequency, which is perfect for its price. But still try to go up to 28 or 3600 if you can for better RAM performance. Now for the pros. It is only $31.99, which is an excellent price for a single RAM stick with 8GB of DDR4. The cons are that it is expensive if you need to get 2 sticks, so just save yourself some money by buying a pack of 2 and not 1. And finally, the best budget RAM stick for looks.
To end this video off, we have the HyperX Fury RGB RAM stick. This one has RGB lights going across the entire length of the heat spreader to give you some excellent features for your PC. Alright, then if we head over here to specifications, you can see the highest frequency it goes up to is 3733 MHz. But the model we chose for you guys is the 3200 MHz model. So it also goes up to cast latencies of 15 through 19, not including 18. Alright, and then if we head back up to the top, you can see it is Intel XMP ready, and it is also ready for the AMD Ryzen line of processors. This just means that it is compatible with both processors, which is a huge plus since some RAMs only work with certain processors due to how they are built and what their needs are. Overall, the pros are that it is $47.99, but most of that price comes from it having RGB lights. And it has a high frequency rate, which is why many extreme gamers will choose this brand over any other. The cons are that it might not be the best budget choice, but it is the cheapest it goes for an RGB RAM stick with decent quality. That's it for part 2, so be sure to check out part 1 by clicking the link in the description of this video and stick around for part 3, which is coming in a few days.
Thanks for watching the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Within the coming few months, we plan on showing you guys how to build your own PC with an in-depth guide to assembling one.
We will make it easy for you to follow along and not feel rushed, even if you are a beginner. Let's keep trying to hit that 100 sub goal so we can get more and better videos out every few days for you guys to enjoy, so please subscribe if you haven't yet.